Now the government is roped in Madhuri Dixit, but we all for Manish Malhotra. Very good handle.
Everyone, give a big round for our guest, our chief guest today, Sophia Firdaus, our very own.
Meeting up with such a loud crowd.
Mic. So, yes, we have Parvati, Katha Parvati MLA, Sophia Firdaus with us today. And she is also one of our founding INVEC members, core members. And it's such a beautiful memory that we have. We welcome you, Sophia.
Thank you so much.
So this is OD Social and this is INVEC all together. Once again, so nostalgic. And we would love for you to see all the things.
Definitely.
But before that, I must tell you that, since she was elected, I always had this thing that I wanted to celebrate her success. And I'll not take name, but a very prominent person told me recently that she is a better leader than many older leaders that we have in Odisha. So big round for Sophia. So she has made her mark, and we wish her all the very best. So today is also a celebration for her success that I always wanted to celebrate. So we'll have a small cake cutting, and then I have a small surprise. For both.
We also have one here. Yes. Thank you so much for
Come on, thank you, God. This is together.
Asana please, Monica
So we are all celebrating women power here.
Thank you so much. Latest congratulations is for OD Social for the beautiful dream that you have dreamt and made it true. And all thanks to CKT and everybody who came together in this unique initiative. Tissue box will
Tissue. Viren tissue.
Tissue box दे दे Cherry.
All cherries make it.
Spoons it.
Cherry. Okay, so I have to make a small announcement. When we were in INVEC and we started with nothing, zero, and then gradually we all built it, and then we had the Fashion Mela, and Pali was the initiative head that time, our core member, and she made it happen that we had Manish Malhotra come into Odisha for the first time and design in Odisha handloom. So INVEC, your leader is amazing, and
That they should say no.
And so Manish Malhotra came, and then things happened, and everything went on. And then a very big thing happened, and I could not even take it out and announce it that time because I lost my father-in-law. That was a very sad time for us, and I had to go to Chennai. A lot of things happened, and somehow it got missed out. So today we want to celebrate that. So I want to announce it in front of everybody that we were covered by Forbes in all India in the magazine, and it all happened because of Pali and all our work, Sophia, and we all walked the ramp in Manish Malhotra attire, and that was a huge thing for us. It never happened. So a small gift for both of them. So please accept it from our behalf. One second. This is the Forbes. Such a memory. See, I have one for Swati also. She didn't come. So
Swati is coming?
5 of us. She'll come. Yeah. So we were there, and Nirupama, Rima, Mona, everybody were there in the ramp. And this was covered by Forbes, and it was such a big, achievement for all of us. And we couldn't even talk about it that time because, of the loss and everything that happened. So thank you again, Pali. Thank you,
It
Sophia.
was such a memory when you look back. Yes. Now the government is roped in Madhuri Dixit, but we all for Manish Malhotra. Very good handle.
So yes, this is for you. And one more. Can we have both? Yeah. So, a memory, keep it in your office and remember the good times we had. So this is an inspiration for all you ladies here. So if this could happen, anything can happen. So you have your inspirations right here. Don't stop dreaming, keep achieving and keep hustling. That is most important. Don't give up. I remember
And I must mention that Sophia got me introduced to Invec,
Yeah.
and she was the one to call me and tell me that something like this is happening and why don't you come and let's discuss. That was during the business mela. which
Business
we
Mela,
did.
yes.
And since then till now gained a lot in every aspect in life, and I'm very grateful.
This is just an example. All of you, please keep dreaming and create brands of Odisha which all of us can be proud of. Thank you. And 2 words from Sophia now.
First of all, my heartiest congratulations. When I saw the creative of OD Social, I was moved and I really wanted to join. Unfortunately, मोर अलगा prior commitments जो को मु समय भितर पहुंची पारिली नहीं. But पूरा team को देखिबा पाई plus आमे जो स्वप्न देखिथिलु, जो स्वप्न रे Invec तैयारी हेतिला and trust रे समस्ते जोड़ी हे जेतिलु. Trust was a big factor. We believed each other. We thought कि नहीं हमें सांगरे रहिले हम strength बढ़िबो and हमें prosper करि पारिबो. We believed in each other and we stuck to each other. जोति पाई कि journey टा इतने successful हे पाला. There are so many associations, but somewhere Invec was very special, very different, because there was no role model by which Invec would be created and it will follow a path. That model was created by Sukirti, and all thanks to her that we all could stick to her. Kahara role kam hochi, kahara role besi hochi, but still there was some participation, some involvement from so many people. At the last moment also women wanted to come and support in whatever way they could. They volunteered for so many things. So definitely say stalls ro nahi ki having a permanent space in a place like this, in a spot like Janpat, which is the prime location, it's truly a proud moment for each and everybody who actually dreamt of it. And again you all came together to open up a space like OD Social. jete bele ame katha hochu vocal for local, jete bele ame baharu ambassadors ne ki asuchu, we all are one brand ambassadors and we have showcased, and this needs to go out in the open and people should know about it. So really happy that today Invec led by Preeti Pallavi Patnaik is following the same path, and she is doing much more. And it's always that when you set a benchmark, you should be able to cross that benchmark. So she had crossed that benchmark with Business Mela this time, and with so many initiatives every time, and adding more and more women and creating that space, that the space where we can trust and we can feel comfortable being along with all members. And to every member, to Sonika for her relentless effort, and everybody who trusted, and Proshish, everybody who is there sticking through thick and thin, and of course the 2 co-convener right now, Swati and Suma, and all the office bearers, all the members who have given this everything in Invec and have believed and opened up this store in a very big way. A lot of people have prospered from Invec. This has shown us that of course it is possible when we all stood together and we really dream big. So of course dream big, and each one of us are an example that nothing is impossible. How life changes you. More change was pura completely 360-degree change hai gala. But फिर भी we like to accept challenges and we take it with a positive mindset. The positive mindset से नले, so you can make that difference. So all the best to OD Social. It's our collective responsibility to promote the space and ensure that you all prosper, and we have more stores like this, more people get associated with us. All the best. My heartfelt congratulations to all of you, and looking forward to shop something from here.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sophia.
Eat.